Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm very excited to show you the DUKWIN watch winder. So this is going to be a more premium watch winder. As you can see, a very big watch winder. This is made for 4 main watches, so you will be able to wind 4 watches. Then we have a display of 6 other watches, as you can see right here. And then we have an extra storage box right here, as you can see, for jewelry, for your wife's jewelry, for some extra watches, straps, whatever you need, you can place inside this drawer. So very nice thing as well. Then here we have 2 switches. So this is going to be the switch for these 2 watches. Here we have another switch for these 2 watches. As you can see, I have my Rolex, my Seiko 5, a Festina automatic, and then I also have a 1950s Rolex watch. So the main switch, so this first switch is going to be for the first 2 watches, as I mentioned. I can wind them clockwise. For example, I can select to wind counterclockwise these other 2. I have the third model and the third module and the fourth module, so 3 and 4 are going to be for both clockwise and anti-clockwise. So that is going to be really cool. And then they are going to stop after 12 hours, and then they are going to restart after 12 hours. Here we can place some other watches. As you can see, I have my quartz watches right here. So if you're looking for a premium display box, a watch winder, this is going to be the way to go. You also have a small key right here. You have a light right here, and we have 3 switches on the back. The main one for powering on and off the winder. You can also turn on and off the light. So this is going to be something really cool. You can stop them just like that, and your watches are going to look amazing inside this DUKWIN premium, in my opinion, watch winder. So the quality of this watch winder is going to be above the average. So you are going to compare it, let's say, to very premium and more expensive watch winders, and this is going to feel very premium. And as you can see, you have a lot of storage functionality, and also it is going to be very beautiful, as you can see. In my opinion, definitely consider all the products by DUKWIN, especially this watch winder, guys. They also have the version for 6, 8 watches and so on. Make sure to grab one. I'm pretty sure you are going to be just as excited as I was.